say start with news. And the next quadratic equations for its a solution. First we have started the quadratic equations and its a solutions by means of the factorization methods. Okay. Second process here is solving the questions means that quadratic equations by means of the complete splitting the square, and also some one method is also available as complete sorry you know formula method. So quadratic formula method is also available here. So if the questions does not give the better result or perfect result by the factorization method, so we will also use these two methods, that is called complete square methods, and the second is the quadratic formula method. So let's say starts first completing the square methods. Okay, so here is the solution of quadratic equations. Solution of the quadratic equations by completing square method. Okay, this completing square methods. Now let's say start the steps. It follow the following steps. Okay, steps 1. Yes, steps 1. First write the given equations in standard forms. Standard form. Standard form. Okay. First given equations, write the standard forms, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Got it? Now second steps seconds. First we have write here the equations in standard forms. Second, check the quadratic equations. Tick equations in unity. If not, if it is not, make the coefficient of x square in unity, then what will you do? Then divide it to form the x square unity. Okay, x square in unity form. So step third, first, second, third steps we will say in this we will follow the in this case. Okay, suppose that if we give the example of this one, so ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then follow its cancel out, so b and c by a is equal to a. Okay, so this we will write like this. Now step 3 we will follow here. So step 3, shift the constant term in form of constant terms, that is that is C constant terms unit of C by A in RHS. RHS right hand sides on RHS. Now not in on. Okay, steps follow. We will follow the steps fourth. What will the steps fourth says tell us? We will follow the step fourth. Add the square. Add the square of half of the half of add the square of half of the coefficient of x on, okay, x coefficient of x on both side, okay, both sides. Add it and steps 5 we will follow the and follows in as continuously step 5. Write LHS in form of complete square and complete squares. LHS follows and simplify RHS. Complete form and after that we will simplify RHS. Steps follow the steps 6. What does the step 6 tell us? Take the square root of both sides. Okay, take the square root of both sides. Steps 7. Now completely find the value of x shifting. Okay, find the value of x shifting the constant term, okay, constant terms, that is b by 2a. Constant b on your RHS, on RHS from LHS. Okay, this is the steps, and with the help of these steps we will follow all the rules and regulations whatever I am giving you here, and furthermore we will take some examples so that we can solve the questions related to it. Let's say start with solve the equations. Example, solve the equations. Solve the equations or quadratic equations. Two x square plus 10x plus is equal to 0. Okay, 2x square 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. Plus 3 is equal to 0 by completing square method. Okay, so solve the quadratic. Solve the quadratic equations by means of the completing 2x square plus 10x plus 3 2x square plus 10x plus 3 by completing square methods. Okay, then first of all what will you do? First is follow the steps. First telling the right equations in form of standard forms. So here is the standard form: 2x square plus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. It's a standard form already. It's a written in standard forms. Step second we will follow here. So unity of the equation, so divide by 2, so it becomes x square plus 10 by 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. What is? So 10x plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. It became 5. So x square plus 5x plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. Okay, this is the equations. Now for steps 3. Step 3 telling that the shift constant terms uh, in form of c by a on RHS sides. So constant terms here is x square plus 5x is equal to 3 by 2. Shift here steps follow. Step 4. What will we do? The steps of add the square of half of the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is 5. Half of the coefficient of x on both sides. Okay. So on both side of equation. So add here x square plus 5 by 5x plus 5 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2. We have add here completely. No problem at all. Okay, so after adding, so what we will do here, follow the steps 5. Write LHS in form of complete square and simplify. Form of a complete square, this is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so a square plus b square. Here will be, so square forms. We will write here the square forms. So here is the equations, and we will write here complete square half of the square. So it will always be added here, say half of the square. So it becomes a square b square 2ab. So it becomes x square plus 5x, sorry, x square plus 5 by 2 whole square. Okay, 5 by 2 whole square is equal to 3 by 2 plus 25 by 4. What is 3 by 2 plus 25 by 4? So x plus 5 by 2 whole square, it will be x plus 5 by 2 whole square. Sorry, it becomes like this, 5 by 2 whole square. So here is the questions. So x plus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to, this becomes 12 plus 50 by 8. It always be 62 by 8. If we divide 31 by 4, okay, we got here 31 by 4. So we have seen that 25 by 4 and 25 by 4, and these equations we will find here. So x square it will always be just like that. So 19 by 4. So here is the questions 19 by 4. 19 by 4 is given here. So we will see that these equations can be formed in the form of so here is the in form of, sorry, this becomes minus because already transpose those, so we can minus. So it will be 8 and 8 and 4 minus 3, 38 by 8 in 38 by 8 and 19 by 4. So here is the 19 by 4. So x plus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to 19 by 4. here is the we have find here steps of the 5 right and 6 steps. This is step 6. Now step 7, we will follow the step 7. What does the step 7 say? There, find the value of x. So here is the value of x we will find here. So what we will do here, so here value of x, the taking the square root on both sides. Okay, taking the square root on both sides. So if we take the square root on both sides, so what we will take here, so it becomes square roots. So under root, this became under roots. So square roots means that it becomes x plus 5 by 2 is equal to under root 19 by 4 is equal to, it would be 19 by 2, under root 9 by 19 by 2. So this will always be just like that, so taking 19 plus and minus. So plus minus 19 by 2 plus and minus plus and minus 19 by 2. So if we have to find out x plus 5 by 2 is equal to plus, if taking the plus 19 by 2, then x is equal to plus 19 by 2 into minus 5 by 2. So it will be 19 under root 19 minus 5 by 2 first. And the second, if we take the plus here, minus here, then we can say x is equal to minus 19 by 2 minus 5. So answer will always be, here is a under root 19 minus 5 by 2, and the second is minus root 19 minus 5 by 2. This is the answer. And on the like this, we will solve the all types of the questions related to the quadratic formula. Okay, so these are the quadratic formulas, is completing square methods, and in with the help of this completing square methods we can solve any types of the questions if it's come here as in front of us. Our challenges comes here and arises in front of us. Okay, with these statements I hope that you have understood whatever I am telling with the help of the descriptions and example. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.